Hi, what's up, everyone? Did you know you can snag a high performance e bike for under $1,000 that can seriously change your daily commute? Today, we're diving into the top best e bikes under $1,000 for commuting that you can grab right now on Amazon. All the links are in the description, so check them out and find your perfect ride. From speed demons to compact city cruisers, we've got options that will make commuting fun, practical, and cost effective. Let's get started and see which e-bike stands out for your needs. On number 6, the V80 Electric Bike is a true powerhouse for anyone who wants speed and range without breaking the bank. With a 1,000-watt motor capable of hitting 28 miles per hour and a 48-volt, 13-ampere-hour removable battery promising up to 70 miles, it's designed for long, flat commutes or weekend cruising through the city. While the max range might only be achievable on light pedal assist, the bike's 26-inch city cruiser tires and adult frame geometry ensure comfort, stability, and a familiar ride posture. When compared to the previously reviewed EB20 mini bike, which prioritized portability, the V80 takes a bold leap into performance-focused commuting, sacrificing foldability for speed, stability, and comfort. It maintains strong acceleration, keeps up with urban traffic, and delivers excellent value for a Class 3 e-bike at this price point. The main trade-offs include limited portability and only basic front suspension, so rougher terrain might feel bumpy. If you're after a reliable, high-speed daily commuter and don't mind storing a larger frame, the V80 is a standout option. What do you think about a Class 3 cruiser under $1,000? Let me know in the comments. On number 5, the Vivi Electric Bike for adults takes a slightly different approach, blending commuter practicality, safety, and comfort in one package. Its 1,000-watt peak motor delivers up to 22 miles per hour, staying within the popular Class 2 e-bike limits, making it fully legal for most urban roads. What sets the Vivi apart is its dual shock absorber system and UL2849 certification, ensuring both comfort on bumpy city streets and safety in the electrical system, a feature many competitors lack. The 26-inch wheelbase offers full-size comfort, while the folding frame makes it easy to store in apartments or cars, though it is heavier when folded compared to smaller wheel folders. Compared to the V80, the Vivi sacrifices a few miles per hour in top speed for certified safety and folding convenience, making it ideal for riders with limited storage or those prioritizing UL-certified reliability. This bike handles moderate inclines and varied urban terrain well, and the combination of comfort, safety, and convenience makes it an excellent all-rounder for suburban and city commuters. Which do you value more, folding convenience or higher Class 3 speed? Drop your thoughts below. On number 4, next up, the Jasion Roamer electric bike pushes performance to the forefront with a 1,200-watt peak motor, capable of 28 miles per hour, and a 528-watt-hour removable battery, promising up to 60 miles of range on minimal pedal assist. Designed for serious urban commuters and suburban riders, this Class 3 e-bike balances speed, range, and comfort through its 26-inch commuter frame, front suspension, and 7-speed Shimano gearing. Compared to the Vivi folding electric bike, the Roamer sacrifices foldability and UL2849 safety certification to offer faster performance, higher capacity, and longer distance commuting ability, making it ideal for those who prioritize long hauls and keeping up with traffic over apartment-friendly portability. Its predictable handling and stable ride feel make it a reliable workhorse for extended commutes, and while the front suspension is limited for rougher trails, it performs exceptionally well on city streets and light gravel paths. For those who need a dependable, high-speed, long-range e-bike under $1,000, the Jasion Roamer strikes a sweet spot between performance and comfort, proving that you don't always need to spend $2,000 plus to get a serious commuter machine. How important is top speed for your daily commute? Comment below. On number 3, The Totem electric bike for adults is a budget-friendly yet capable choice for entry-level riders, teens, or those seeking a simple commuter bike without splurging. With a 750-watt peak motor, 20 miles per hour top speed, and a 375 watt-hour battery providing up to 40 miles, it's a solid Class 2 e-bike for daily urban rides. The 26-inch frame, front suspension fork, and 21-speed Shimano gearing allow mechanical versatility, letting riders tackle inclines efficiently without relying solely on the motor. While it doesn't have the high-speed, folding convenience, or long-range battery of the V80 or Jasion roamer, it excels at affordability, simplicity, and compliance with e-bike regulations. Compared to the Vivi or APYEAR, the Totem sacrifices certified electrical safety and foldability for a more traditional full-size bike feel, but gains value for mechanical control and easy maintenance. This bike is ideal for first-time buyers or commuters on a budget who want reliable performance for paved roads and light trails. Would you prioritize cost or speed for your first e-bike? Share your opinion in the comments. On number 2, the APYEAR electric bike offers a unique solution for commuters who want portability without compromising ride quality. Available in both 14-inch folding and 26-inch full-size options, it features a 500-watt motor, 20 miles per hour top speed, and a 576 watt-hour removable battery, making it a compliant Class 2 e-bike ideal for urban use. Multi-shock absorption and a comfortable saddle ensure a smooth ride, and its UL 2849 safety certification is a rare, critical feature that gives riders peace of mind regarding electrical system reliability. Compared to the high-speed, non-certified Jasion roamer, the APYEAR sacrifices raw power and Class 3 capability for safety, compact storage, and predictability. Its folding 14-inch variant makes it perfect for college students or apartment dwellers who need easy storage, while the 26-inch option keeps it comfortable for longer commutes. With moderate speed, good shock absorption, and certified safety, it's an excellent choice for first-time e-bike buyers who value convenience and security over maximum performance. Would you pick a UL certified bike over a faster one? Let's hear your thoughts. On number 1, finally, the 1,000-watt folding electric bike is a high-performance monster that combines extreme speed, long range, and the convenience of a folding frame. Its 1,000-watt motor pushes speeds over 30 miles per hour, supported by a massive 48-volt, 20.8 ampere-hour, 998 watt-hours battery, delivering up to 80 miles, setting a high bar for endurance in the folding segment. Aggressive 20-inch fat tires provide stability and grip on city streets, dirt paths, or light trails, while the folding mechanism makes storage practical despite the bike's size. Compared to the APYEAR, it trades UL certified safety and moderate 20 miles per hour speed for a dramatic increase in power, speed, and range, making it ideal for experienced, performance-focused riders who can handle a heavier, high-powered e-bike. While legal compliance may be an issue due to its top speed, for those with access to private roads, RV storage, or weekend adventures, it's unmatched in its category under $1,000. This e-bike proves that folding doesn't mean compromising on performance, and it's perfect for riders who want thrill, range, and compact storage all in one. Would you dare to ride a 30+ miles per hour folding e-bike? Let me know in the comments. So guys, that's our full rundown of the best e-bikes under $1,000 for commuting. Which one would you pick for your daily ride? All the links are in the description, so check them out and grab your favorite today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below with your thoughts. I'd love to hear which e-bike you think reigns supreme. Thanks for watching.